down some of these back streets. There are little bistros where you can have croissant, coffee, just €2 or €3. Venice isn't what people think. It's not expensive. It's only expensive if you want it to be. Around Venice you will see little fountains like this. These are actually drinking water fountains. Absolutely safe. So if you have a drinking bottle, a water bottle, just fill them up with the fountains. Over my left shoulder is the train station. Train station into Venice, end of the line. However, when you get off the train and jump on a water taxi or water bus, it takes you anywhere you need to be in Venice. So the water bus for a 2-day pass anywhere in Venice is €30. For a 3-day pass is €40, and for a 7-day pass is €60. There are lots of restaurants with a special set menu, lots with 2 courses, first course, second course and a side, and this is a typical price. Italy, Venice especially, famous for gelato. Pistachio. Grazie. 2 gelato ice creams in a cone, €4. Gelato. The best ice cream I've ever tasted. Okay guys, we're just about to go on the gondola and the gentleman is going to tell me about the route. So I will flip the camera around so that you can see. This is
Mauro.
Mauro.
Yes.
Mauro's going to be our gondola
Ciao.
for today. Okay, so this is
We
the
have
route.
4 different options. Okay, we start with €80, one canal up and down, okay, together. €120 is a round tour with the house of Marco Polo, the house of Casanova, Santa Maria della Fava Church, Santa Maria Formosa Church, and Bridge of Sighs and back.
Okay.
120, or the same route, but also Rialto Bridge and Canale Grande,
Okay.
160, or
Okay.
the amazing tour, more than 1 hour. This is the 2 hour.
Okay. Okay. So here we go, guys. We're going to get onto our gondola. This is ours. Quite exciting. Looking forward to this. So legend has it that if you kiss under the Bridge of Sighs, then you will get eternal love. Guys, if you're thinking about coming to Venice, please do. It's such a romantic and beautiful place. And if you like my video, press the like button on the bottom, thumbs up, subscribe, and the little bell for notifications.